Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have admin rights and you know the account password. Start now. Press Windows plus R, type NetPlus and hit Enter to open the Legacy Accounts dialog. Once the window appears, find your user in the list. Make sure the account selected is the one you want to remove the password from. If your account is a Microsoft account, you'll need to switch to a local account first. Do that through Settings Accounts to avoid sync and authentication conflicts. In NetPlus, uncheck the box labeled Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Then click Apply. A prompt asks for the current password. Enter it exactly and confirm it, then click OK. This tells Windows to sign you in automatically. The system stores encrypted credentials locally, so you skip the password at login. Make sure to test once. If you switched from a Microsoft account, sign out and sign in to confirm the local account behaves as expected. Restart Windows to verify automatic sign-in. You should land on the desktop without entering a password. If automatic sign-in fails or the checkbox is missing, open NetPlus with Run as administrator, disable Windows Hello options in Settings, Account Sign-in options, or create a local admin and try again. One key troubleshooting tip. If you must keep a Microsoft account but NetPlus refuses, switch temporarily to a local admin. Disable automatic sign-in, then migrate back once settings are confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.